trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls.
Yo, what's up? Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? We got a guest on the stream. She's gonna be trading for me this morning. She's trading trend lines. Trading some trend lines?
Yeah.
We already got the trend line set up, ready to roll. Just waiting on it to break. You think it's gonna break out to the upside?
I think so.
You gotta talk into the mic. Nobody can hear you.
Yes, I think it's going to.
We'll see. We will see. Got gold and NASDAQ marked up here, ready to roll.
I think this one will.
You think this one will?
Yeah.
We'll see. What about this dump, man? NASDAQ just will not stop. Will not stop dumping. This candle closes in 2 minutes here. We're on a 5-minute time frame. I don't know if it can push out of there or not. Rob says we're caught between two 5-minute fair value gaps. Yep. We got a fair value gap right here. And right here and up here, mini one. Big one right here. It looks like it's starting to try to push out of there. Can it do it in last minute here? We got 40 seconds to push out of there. You got to tell me if we're taking a trade or not. I'm not deciding.
I will.
4 seconds. Are we getting in? You getting in or staying out?
I gotta do it now.
You want to wait one more candle?
Yeah. After this one.
It's 5 minutes long. Could be gone.
So long.
We'll wait on this candle. See if it closes outside of there or not. Five more minutes. We got gold right here. All-time highs on gold. We're at the all-time highs on gold right here. Does anybody know if the London session is still starting at 4 a.m.? It looks like it. Because at 3, nothing happened. Uh-oh, we might have missed it. We might have missed it. Starting to go.
Can you get in?
You mean get in now?
Yeah, just do it.
Get in now?
Yeah. Just see what it does.
Hang on. All right, she's telling us to get in here. Let's see. We're in. We're in the trade. We're in the trade here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming down. Can it push up is the question. That is the question we're faced with right here.
Maybe it will.
Maybe it will, she says. Number one beginner day trader on YouTube right here, Miss Peyton.
See?
Look at there. She said, see? She knew it was going up, buddy. She said, see? She said, see? It's going up. Woohoo! But the real question, it's not hard catching a little move. When do you get out? That's the real question. When do you get out of the trade? That's the real question. We were up 85 bucks right there, and it's coming. Now we're down 20, up 15. You see it moves. But at least on the bright side, this candle closed outside of there. You see that 5 minute closed outside of there. So technically we'd still be in right here. So hopefully it can just pop up and go here. Broke out of this trend line.
So when would you get out?
Well, I would wait on it to make a little downward, like a second line here, and then I would wait on it to cross that before I got out. So let me see. We kind of got a little line right there that we can adjust our stop loss with, barely. And then just kind of ride my stop loss along this blue line right here. And if it makes another one, I would make another line. If it makes another low like that, then I would move the line up, follow the stop loss with it. But hopefully this thing can pop up here. It's coming down. It's coming down.
It was good for a minute.
Let's look at gold over here. It's gold. Gonna break this trend line and start to come down. What's up, Casho 007? Good morning, man. Miss Peyton got us in a trade here. Not working out right now. It's going down to the downside. It broke out of the trend line. It just ain't. It's not popping up. Nasdaq's too selly right now. We needed the pop up and go. Pop up and go, baby. Uh-oh. What's going on here, Peyton? You said it was gonna go up, and now it's going down. We gotta wait on it. It's still a valid trade until it breaks this blue line down here. But it's not looking good at the moment here. We got a big old red boner candle coming down. Big old red boner candle at that. Maybe this is just making the 30-minute bottom wick here to drive up to the upside. See, if we look at this on the 30-minute chart, could just be making the bottom wick for the 30-minute candle. And then the back half of the 30 minutes can drive up, hopefully.
Maybe it's
But it's coming down pretty fast here. Uh-oh. It closed above the VWAP and everything, and then just started coming down. Not looking good here. Not looking good.
keeps looking worse.
Oh boy. Oh boy. What a big old red boner candle. What a big old red boner candle. Can it drive here? We could have dropped down to the 1 minute and reduced our stop loss here, kinda, a little bit. Just broke that to the downside of this 1 minute line here.
Maybe
See if this new 5 minute candle can push it up here. I don't think so, but we'll see.
you know,
Somebody's telling you trading is hard.
yeah.
Somebody's telling you trading is hard. See, can we get some push here on this candle? Let's drop it down. Let's make this thing even crazier. Let's get down to the 1 minute right here. Let's get real crazy on this 1 minute. It's gonna have to break back above this 1 minute trend line here. Could just be retesting it. Oh, looking okay. Got to break through there. It's got to break through there. It's got to break through this kind of order block here. Can it drive, baby? Can we drive? Get it up there. Push, baby, push. Can we get a little beginner's luck push right here? We need a little pushy push right on to the upside there. Breaking back above this VWAP right here. Looking okay. Looking all right here, buddy. Let's go. Give us that push. We got back. It used our entry as a resistance right there. That's the old blue line algo. Can we? It's a blue line algo. It's using our entry as resistance. Look at Camille. What'd he say?
My little sexy stud sister.
No, this isn't my sister.
Look like you.
Yep, we got a guest trader, Bao. She got us into a long right here. It was looking scary there for a minute. Almost back at break even here. It's using it's the blue line algo right here. Using our entry as a resistance. Can we get a push though? Can we get a push and drive? No, we're not even in Texas. We're in Alabama, even better.
I guess in sell. So
Sins of Greg says sell now. Oh no. We gotta get green. We gotta get green, Greg.
what?
It's coming back up. Why would we sell? It's thing's about to fly, Greg. We caught the bottom here. What are we talking about? We caught the reversal here. It's about to reverse all the way back up. Go fill this gap. It's going to fill the overnight gap here, man. We got a gap. It's going to fill it, baby. We're going to fill the gap. We're going to get in this gap. We need a little push. Need a little push. Sins of Greg says reverse. I should reverse the trade. Oh boy. Sins of Greg. Oh no. I can't wait till this thing comes down. And he says, I told you so. Uh-oh.
Dang.
Uh-oh. No.
No?
Why? It's not. It hasn't broken any of the blue lines yet. That means we stay in.
Okay.
We stay in. We gotta stay in right here till one of these blue lines are broken. What's the saying? No risks, no Rari?
Who says that?
No risk, no Rari. We're getting a Ferrari. Hey, you know, I did it there for a few months successfully. I got some payouts with the trend lines. I got the Tradeify payout, and I got a profit trade. Profit, remember profit trade? They're rest in peace. Profit raid. Yeah, I ain't gonna get. Hey man, hey man, look at this. If I take this all the way back to the all-time highs here, buddy, we might be able to afford a Ferrari here. Look at this. I might just ride this back here to all-time highs. Let's see how far that is. Look at that. 3,420 points times 20. How much is that? Buddy, that's 68,000. We're going all the way, baby. Riding this. We're getting 68,000 here, buddy. That's a Rari if I ever look. Greg. What's going on? It's going up, Greg. What the heck? Greg, what is going on here, brother? I thought we should have reversed, Greg. What's going on? Oh no. Oh no. It's going up, Greg. It's going up. Coming back down, Greg. Can we keep on pushing it up here? Camille says Greg swimming in red waters. Nah, this thing could just reverse right here and we look retarded. Let's see though. Hopefully it goes up. Hopefully it goes up. Nice, Greg. Heck yeah, that's what it's about. Maybe we should have got out, but we're staying in. We're taking this to all-time highs right here, brother. We're above the VWAP. Above the VWAP. Now we can really push. Time to push. We got highs marked out here. We got these highs marked out here. And now we're ready to roll. What is it, the real folks? What is your 1 minute strategy? Can we get a little push here, buddy? Peyton's trading my Tradeify account. I told her we were fake trading, but this is my Tradeify.
Well, I wouldn't.
We're on the Tradeify account here. It's up. It's at 162,500. She thinks we're fake trading. We're not.
Okay.
Yeah,
I am responsible.
she's the responsible one. When the other day, I almost blew my 12 Apex accounts, and she said, "You should close that trade and go short Nasdaq." And I did it, 10 contracts, and saved the account. So,
And I had no idea what I was talking about.
and then after that day, she said, "I think I want to stream with you one day." So now here she is. What strategy is it, the real folks?
Like a wild cowboy.
Oh, buddy, I was reckless with them bad. I'm telling you, they were $200 away from being blown. And I said, I mean, what should I do here? She said, you should close that trade and go full send the Nasdaq shorts right here. And I said, okay. And then boom, we got it. We made it all back. Uh-oh. Should we move the stop to break even?
Where is it right now?
Stop. We don't have a stop right now, but if we move it to break even, then it's a free trade. You can move it to break even, or just let it ride and let it come back down to the negatives. We could move it to break even, and then we wouldn't lose any.
Yeah, do that. I can't read that far.
Uh-oh.
To see what it is.
It's about to hit it. It almost hit it.
Okay, it's going back up.
We needed to go up before it hits this red line right here. I need to get her a 50K eval. She could trade it. I should get her a top step. Then she could trade from her phone.
Now I see why I kind of want to move.
She said now she sees why she wants to move the stop. We put the stop at break even, and now she wants to move it back down.
I'm not too. Let me just.
She's finding out about the trading psychology. She wants to move the stop. She said move it to break even. Oh, never mind.
It was too close.
It's too close. Well, hopefully it can push up before it hits our break even. At least now it's a free trade. You know, if you got to think about it like that, we're in a free trade right here. So if it goes up, it's free. If you want to win, we could sell now for $200, $230 now, $235. Or do you think? Oh, they're at $295. Tell me when. Do you think it's gonna keep pushing?
Yep, what he said.
Move it to 233. It's at 243 now. We're already in.
Let me see what this one does.
I mean, we can follow it along this trend, but next candle it might break it. It's pushing, baby. We're up 410, baby. Let's go. 450. Should we sell? Or do you think it's gonna?
Oh, sell it.
Sell it.
Sell it. Just get out.
400. Boom. Locked it in. Well, no, that was about 360.
Aw.
It came back down at the last minute there. Locked it in. $360 trade. Peyton's first live trade was a winner. Come on, guys. If Peyton's winning with the trend lines here, what's stopping you? Come on.
He said rebuy.
It's pulling back. It's pulling back.
Mm.
Nah, we're good on that account right now. Let me see. We're almost at payout.
And he said I get the payout.
Peyton's first trade right here. Let's take a picture. Take a picture right here. Look at there. We got out at the perfect time, Peyton. Perfect time. Let's see how much it was. 359, 360. Bang. Let's take a picture.
All right, now we can go back to sleep.
We could.
He said he rebought it. Dang.
All right, the images are saved. Saved and documented.
Glade.
The next level you'd be targeting is this up here, these highs right here. And then if it breaks through that, the next level would be this, you know, this pretty much the final level up here, this yellow line up here, those highs. After that, I mean, it could run all the way up here, but pretty much that would be the final target right there. Kind of complete the move to the top of this start of this trend line right here. But it's it broke that high, and now it's deciding whether it wants to go up or down right here. It's got to make the decision. I think we get a little pullback down, maybe down into here. Come sweep this low and then go back up. But look at that. Up on the Tradeify account. Got to get it to 163,300 to get to a payout. It's at 162,781 right now. 163,300. It's at payout. Let's go, Coach Canute. Thing wanting to drive here. We got the new we got the London Open in 8 minutes. The London Open. Who's taking the 15-minute orb? Who's gonna take the 15-minute orb this morning? Let's look at gold here. How high can gold go? It's the real question. The real question. Whoa, it's still going up, Peyton. We left some money on the table, but that's okay.
We made a good bit.
We made a good bit.
Are you gonna do?
I don't know if I'm taking the 15-minute orb. London changed time. I mean, I thought it changed times this weekend, but this 3 o'clock open here was pretty pretty mild. It didn't really. I was thinking it was still at 4 just because it didn't really change. None of this changed. But let's see. Let's just test out the London orb at 3. See what would have happened at 3 if we took the orb. Might have been a loser. Kind of broke out here. And then came all the way back down. Now it's starting to go up. Well, let's see if 4 o'clock brings any more volume then, even if it's not the open. It's kind of mild right now. Camille says definitely longs. That's what it looks like. I hope it longs all week for my long-term portfolio sake. The long-term portfolio is hurting. Gotta fix the camera here. It's on following me. Let's see what happens here. Just choppy, man. Look at this. It's just chopping back and forth at this level. I feel like we got out at the right time. It'd be very stressful to be sitting in this right here. It'd be pretty stressful to be watching it go back and forth right here, so close to the entry. So I'm glad we got out. I do feel like if it's gonna drive way up high, it needs to come down and at least tap into this area right here. Got a big old gap area right here. I feel like it would need to come down and at least tap before going real high. Two fresh 50K Apex accounts, Slade versus Peyton. You're welcome. We'll go viral. 5% commission to Camille. Let's go. You know, I was thinking, I'm training her to trade here because me and her would smash Patrick and his girlfriend. I don't know her name, but we would smash them. I think she quit trading. I haven't seen her trading in a while. His girlfriend must have quit. I sent in the email to go live on the BDH. Haven't heard a reply. I think he's scared. I think he's scared. Camille says relax. I don't know. I think I could be Patrick. He just goes in 5 contracts and hopes it goes his way. You see, he doesn't use trend lines. That's his. He actually does. The bull flags and bear flags. He'll never admit it, but those are trend lines. They are. Bull flags and bear flags. So basically, A bull flag is when it makes a move up and then it starts coming down like this. Makes it look like a flag. So, but you see it's trending down like this. Coming down, and then it breaks out and goes. It breaks out, and this one retested it. But
He said shirtless trading.
shirtless trading? No, can't do that. Peyton does do the ab wheel. You want to do the ab wheel on the camera? Peyton's been doing the ab wheel back here. Been getting her. I don't know if you saw it, but I did the standing ab wheel, and she's been practicing.
I know I can do it.
She knows she can do it.
I just need to get it one time, and then I'm done.
Let's see what happens here in 25 seconds at 4 o'clock. Are we gonna get something crazy or just nothing? Let's see. New hourly opening up here. We got the new hourly opening up here. Uh-oh. A little crazy action going on. A little crazy. Look at it. It's starting to drive. It's driving. Driving higher. Let's see. We got out right there for about 18 points. Almost 19 points. It went up.
Dang.
It went up to about 30 so far. Went up to about 30 so far. But it really never did give us a signal to get out, Hayden. But I wouldn't have wanted to sit through all this.
No, I got nervous.
You got nervous?
Yeah.
See, because, we would have probably got out if we adjusted the trend line. We would have been out around here
Yeah.
on that 1 minute. But if we were just trading off of the 5-minute time frame only, we'd still be in. What about gold? Is it breaking down yet? Nope. Still driving. Gold is still driving. All-time highs. Is it gonna hit 3,200 today? Is it gonna hit 3,200? My dad predicted gold to hit 3,200. Let's see. Uh-oh, coming down. Is that the hourly top wick to come all the way back down? Oh, I am tired. We went to bed about 2 hours ago. We're running on 2 hours of sleep here, but we woke up for the stream. We did it for the stream. We woke up, called a banger. Let's go. Called a banger. Live on the stream. Now these are the type of trades I like to take. I like to take these fake out style trades. Kind of sweep below here, make it seem like it's gonna continue down, and then wait for it to come back up. But I wouldn't take it unless it came down and swept below here. So I'd wait on like a sweep below here and then look for a move back up. Those are the type of trades I like to play. Let's see, is it gonna bounce off the VWAP right here? Get a little VWAP bounce. Little VWAP bounce. Yeah, I know it, man. It's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. I just look for small little moves though. I don't play huge moves, so it's okay to scalp it up. You know, we just did a little scalp up here. But yeah, the market's crazy. When's it gonna find the bottom? Look at it. It's coming back down. We almost caught the top there, Peyton. It only went up a little bit more. Look, right to my line up there, and then turned around. How crazy is that? I drew that line before it even hit it, and it hits it and turns around. Crazy, ain't it? I drew it before it got up there. I said, I drew both of these lines before it got up there. It was still down here. I drew this one at the top of this, and then I drew this one at the top of these. And look, it hit it perfectly and turned around.
You think it's gonna hit this line and then go back up?
I don't know. Is it gonna respect the trend line here? Is it retesting the breakout line? It's the 5-minute chart right here. Is it gonna go down here? I think it's got a good chance to keep going up. Like I said earlier, I was be looking for it to come down, retest this area here, and then go back up. But it doesn't have to. But it's just kind of the plays I look for. The kind of plays I would look for is came back down into this area. I'd be looking for like a inversion and then take it long. I don't know, Allie. I just trade. I trade every day. Any day the market's open, I'm trading. I don't care if it's Christmas Eve and the market's open, I'm trading. Catching a few points here and there, making some money. All right, this would be the kind of play I would take. Inversion right here. I'm not taking the trade, but I'll draw it out like I would be taking it. I would have been in right there. If it closes back below here, I would be out. Then I would have a break-even stop right there. And then be targeting those highs. But it looks like it's gonna be a loser, so I'm glad I didn't take the trade. A loser.
There it goes. His sister said you're cute. And she would.
That's a compliment. Thanks. She'd go lesbian for you. She said.
Oh, thanks.
It's bouncing off the trend line there.
Where is he from?
Camille, where are you from?
Slay, why you going red?
I get nervous. I get nervous.
He said you almost spent all of my money.
No, I didn't get in the trade there. That wasn't I didn't get in. Can this thing fly up now? It broke out of the trend line, retested it, and now it's time to fly. Here it goes.
You think? Straight back up?
I think it's going up. It broke out, retested it perfectly, and now it's time to fly.
He said go micro slide.
Hey, I got micro everything. Micro penis.
No.
Sweep of Asia high, then back to midnight open. I do like that, Rob. I don't draw. I haven't drawn it out yet. Where's the? Is this the Asian high? That is true. Where's the Asian high?
Wow.
Is this the Asian high? Yeah. I like the sweeps of the Asian highs and lows and back to the midnight open. I do like that. If you go back and look, it happens a lot. It happens a lot. You talk to everybody.
What do I say?
You gotta talk into the mic.
Well, nobody said anything.
You gotta make conversation. They're watching you. You have to make the conversation.
I'm not good at that.
Tell everybody. Explain your trade to everybody. Why'd you enter the trade?
Easy.
You gotta tell everybody why you took this trade.
I want the high. Well,
You gotta talk loud so they can hear you and explain the lines.
okay. It went above.
You gotta use the mouse to point. You can't
Okay.
point at it.
So it went above this line,
And what's that line?
the downtrend line. No, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So I got in. And then I got nervous that I was going to lose all my money, so then I got out.
Where was your stop loss? Where was your stop loss at?
Wasn't it like right here?
Yeah, but where was it? Was it below any of these lines here, or why'd you put your stop loss where you put it?
Because Slade told me to. It was in here, right?
Your stop loss, it was down here. And it's because your stop loss was following the trend line. So first it was down here. Your first stop loss was down here because that's where the trend line was. Down here. This trend line wasn't here yet. And then it came down, we entered the trade and it started coming down, and then it bounced right here when we made this trend line. So then we moved the stop loss above, following this blue line up. So as this blue line started to come up, our stop loss followed. And then when we went in profit, we moved the stop loss to break even because we didn't want to lose anything. And then it went up and we got out when it broke these highs right here is when we got out. And she made money. Look, there it goes. I told you. It retested the trend line and now it's about to fly, baby. Starting to fly.
You're gonna trade your other accounts later?
Yeah. I'm trading the Apex accounts during the New York session. I'm gonna trade the Apex during the New York session.
Come on, Team Slade.
What's up, Trading Star? I'm about to leave the stream to Peyton. I'm about to go get some coffee. She can talk, or she'll probably get nervous and not talk at all, but I'm going to get some coffee. I'm going to leave the stream to her. Ask her any questions you want. She's here for them.
I'm gonna get in another trade.
No.
Really? Leaving?
I'm going to get some coffee.
I don't know how to work his computer. Put a mail model. Peyton. But want Peyton's signals? What does that mean? Maybe he'll hurry back. Just click the two. Tell us when to buy it. Oh. How do you zoom in? Okay. Where are those lines? What does he say? Maybe let me unclick that. So I'm a nurse. I'm a mother-baby nurse. So I just take care of moms after they have their babies. And then I have a Great Dane, so I just like to play with my dog. Are you learning trading? I guess so. I'm trying. He's trying to show me everything. What? I got in one. They told me to. Yeah, they told me to get in a trade, so I did.
Hmm? Oops. I didn't mean to do that. This thing's hard to move.
Oh no, I was laughing at that comment.
What does it say?
It said, "Do you think Slade is a little bit gay? He was blowing kisses for $2 donations yesterday."
Oh, God.
I think I saw him doing that.
I was not doing that.
He was doing it.
Peyton, show him your winning dance. We want to trade the other. We want to trade the other day, and Peyton got back here and started dancing. Show him.
That was you. That was you.
Show him your winning dance.
You were doing laps.
Show him what you were doing.
Go do your dance.
You were doing that?
Go do your dance.
I can't do it right now. I'm too tired.
No, you're wide awake.
No, the real folks, we haven't got anything yet here. It's just chopping around right now. It's just chopping. Oops.
That was me.
What?
I was trying to draw the line.
You're trying to draw the line? Thanks, Trading Star. You just got a winner? What do you enter, long or short? Long or short, real folks? Gold is moving cleaner. Let's look at gold. Is it breaking the trend line? Uh-oh. It's getting close. Is it going to break this trend line?
He said it was a long.
You got a long?
Yeah.
Let's see if gold's going to break these trend lines. Whoa. NASDAQ crazy. You getting in another short? Are you getting in another short? That's the real question.
I think it's gonna go back up.
You think it's gonna go back up?
Yeah, that's what it looks like it's been doing.
Let's see. It hits
it and
it's
pops.
following along this trend line right here. It's respecting the trend line. Is it gonna break it? Is it gonna break the trend line? Come down. It's the real question.
The strat says so much.
Oh yeah. What strategy? I didn't read it earlier. You're telling us about your new strategy.
I thought he was gonna email you.
Oh, you're gonna email me? Email me the strategy. Let me type it in the chat right here. There it is. Typed it up. Trading Star, send me a message on Discord. Let's see. Uh-oh. Is it coming down?
No.
It's coming down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Coming down. Delete this trend line. Watch the 5 minute. Watch the 5 minute here. What a dump. What a dump on the NQ. There was a trend line win right there. Trend line break win. What a dump. Oh, hang on. Hang on. We got to play the Wordle.
No. Oh my.
We got to play the Wordle. You know the rules. First word. First word. Oh, I think I got it, boys. I know it. I see that T right there.
He only got it because he saw me play last night.
We got it on 2.
No.
Woo! Booty.
I
Got
can't
that-
believe they did booty.
Got booty on my mind in the Wordle. Look at that Wordle. Peyton must have submitted that word in the Wordle.
Booty.
Booty.
I can't believe they made booty the word. There he goes up.
Is it gonna go back up?
Yes.
It's going back up. Uh-oh.
Shooting up.
I can't believe Peyton got up this early. Cannot believe it. She must really like trading. She was up last night practicing for about 3 hours. How to draw the lines.
Not that long. I was practicing the lines.
You gotta talk louder. It's
No.
the green line's only going on right there.
Well, I already talk soft. It still didn't go.
I know you gotta talk. Even me talking back here, it's going farther than yours.
You have a loud voice. Did you do speech class?
No.
You never did speech? I ended up getting a B.
What's up, KV? How's it going? Let me see. Maybe we should redraw the trend lines here. Let's get something. Let's look at gold. Gold's starting to break up here. Break up out of this trend line. Let's see if it continues up. And then let's redraw these trend lines on the NASDAQ. Fresh set of lines right there. You seen it? Let's go. I'll check it out later. Sweet, man. I'll check it out later. Thanks. Let's see. I think the NASDAQ might come down here. It's looking kind of heavy. Little pop up here into this fair value gap to come down.
That's what you think?
Yeah. It might just come down without going up there, though. New York session will work the best because of volatility as well. Sweet. Sweet. Start to come down here, buddy.
I think it's gonna do the opposite.
You think it's gonna do the opposite? You think it's gonna go up? Uh-oh. We got a battle. She thinks it's gonna go like this. I'll make her line a different color. What, you think it's gonna go like this?
Yeah. Something like that. Ooh, make mine blue. Can it be blue? Yeah.
Okay, we got the guesses are in. Let's see. Whose guess are you going with right now? What up, Coors? Man, I love Coors Light. I'm trading with Apex and Tradeify, and then I also have a take profit trader that I should be getting past this week. I got 2 days, and I'm at the profit target. So now I just have to trade the final 3 days, and I'll have it, the account. But the accounts I'm doing well with are Apex and Tradeify right now. Nah, I just got a straight to funded Tradeify. I hate the evals. So I just got a straight to funded. And it's sitting at 162,781 right now. I got to get it to 163,300 to get to a payout.
No.
Yeah, of course. I trade one mini. This is a 150k account. I usually trade like 3 minis during London session on it. But this morning I traded 1 mini on it. And then in the New York session, I trade 1 mini on the 150k. And in New York session, I trade 3 to 5 micros on the 50ks. And in London session, I trade 1 mini on the 50ks. What a chop session here on the NQ. Chopping around. Uh-oh. Starting to break. Move this here. Gold might be coming down. Ah, dang. Yeah, man. I would have done the same thing. I'm glad I didn't trade on Friday. Actually, I did trade, but I got some scalps in, but Friday would be a day that I'd blow accounts too. There was no bounces. Yeah, Friday. Oh, Peyton, get crushed. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Let's take a look at Friday right here. Look at this.
I guess about to do that.
Look at Friday. This is Friday. There was no bounces, just down. I mean, I would have wrecked so many accounts this day, just thinking that we might bounce back up a little bit. Like, how do we not bounce up even a little bit? It was just all down, 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 down. No bounces. I mean, little baby bounces, but no significant bounces on Friday. Like, how do we not even come back into any of this area here? Crazy markets we're in Friday. That was insane.
You were right.
Well, not yet. Get wrecked.
Maybe.
Peyton's getting wrecked right here. I wasn't right either. I said it was going to come up to here. But I was half right.
Yeah. Let's go into.
Let's go, Coors. Yeah, straight to funded's where it's at. Keep that mentality right on the straight to funded. So you're just always in the zone.
Do you ever use this?
Yeah. But that's for you can I don't have them set up for this. This is for the other. This is
Oh.
uh-oh. Starting to come back up. Yeah, Coors. I agree. Well, it used to be. Now they're it's getting kind of expensive. But when straight to funded just came, right when it came out, man, it was crazy deal. You could buy like a 50K straight to funded for like $275 or something. It was crazy. And Fast Track, man, those were the good old days when Fast Track was around. Fast Track would, man, they made it so easy to get the payout. But that's also why they had to shut down. It was too easy to get to a payout. It's starting to come down here. Gold. Oh man, Coors, that sucks. Yeah, it sucks for the people that got in at the end. I got in super early on Fast Track, so I got 2 payouts with them. You had to get in early. If you got in near the end of Fast Track, man, I'm sorry, that sucks. But in the beginning stages, Fast Track was sweet. Uh-oh. You got in September. I can't even remember when I got in Fast Track. He was literally like almost right when they opened, though.
Dang.
This is the 15-minute orb right here. It came down and then it rejected the 15-minute orb. So it's gonna come down to the bottom of the orb now? It could. It could. Oh man, that sucks. That sucks. Oh man. Yeah, that sucks. Anybody having to pay taxes? It's the worst. It's the worst. All right, I think we're done for the morning. I'm just gonna get off of here. Been on a little while. Caught a trade early and made our money on this Tradeify account for the morning.
We should go to Canada.
I should move to Canada. I'm tired of this crap. Work so hard to make this money and have to pay back so much. It's annoying. But yeah, we made $360. Oh, paying the U.S. and Canada. We made $360 on this account this morning. Hey, look, I was right. Woo, it's coming down. Made $360 on the Tradeify account this morning, and about to get off of here, and then I'm gonna trade the Apex accounts during the New York session. But thanks everybody for hanging out. We had a good time, and see you later. Peace.
Woo.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Nasdaq flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden